Okay, I'm gonna, hopefully don't touch on that. I'm gonna return to my roots. It's gonna be a walk and tour of the village, but we're also gonna look out for photography. So we are in Dunfanaghy, County Donegal, and it's windy still. Yep, Dunfanaghy Presbyterian Church. It's grand, so please excuse me if I mispronounce anything and everything. We came in here last night after a long, awkward day, and we found a lovely little spot. It's like right behind the whole kind of town. You're like chips. And yeah, we were just tired last night, so we just kind of settled in and chat, and then that was about it now. Right. So it does break my heart now to see hotels and stuff like that broken down like that. Like, it does heartbreak, you know. Like tomorrow, well, it looks like I'm just coming down to the little park here ahead. Now I won't be getting up there because I don't think my vehicle can make it, because I've been having issues getting up, traction control. So yeah, speak all task, send the drone from there all the way down, and then reach the sea. You can even see, whew, it's wavy out there. I'm seeing waves crashing on the mountain from here. They must be massive. Yeah. So hell right now. And there's the 50 shades of green, because if you wait long enough you'll see different colours of green, because the sun comes out and it goes behind clouds and you get all these different colours and all. Photography wise, try to get some editing today. Some of the drone footage, spectacular. I'm going to show that up. I remember I found a few errors with it last night when I was doing a shoot booking, but I'm going to fix those. But yeah, head on over. Loads of photos there available for free if you're not using them for commercial purposes. If commercial people, that's cool. I love these anchors. That's a shame about. I'm pressing a button or something and it does that double and then it just goes off in there. It's annoying. So it was a good buy yesterday. I didn't go to any of the bars, so I can't review any of them, but they do look nice. When we arrived yesterday there was a guy out chopping wood, so I said he'd have a nice lovely warm fire on in there, and yeah, looks like it's not been used for several years. Anyone know when it's closed down? And they have Apache pizza. Gives craft some more. Little cafe deli. You have a Century. Haven't been in there, so I don't know if they have like a deli. They have like this guy here just rocked up today. Jack's Fresh Fish. Down here we have kind of like a harbour, but it's also like a parking area. Ooh. Donegal cycling routes. If anyone's interested. I'm barely able to drive the thing, let alone so I start here and whew, you would be exhausted. Well, yeah, you would, I don't know. And then, ooh, Sea Island. different types of fish there. I'm not a fish guy. We've got duck eggs, honesty box there. There's this bar here, a nice lineup of whiskey. Public toilets there. Yeah, this bar I was very tempted in to go in last night, but just saving on the pennies. What am I doing? See, look, there we go, there we go. The sun's coming out now. And we're getting the shaded greens there. It's very nice, but there's nothing photogenic about it. Maybe I'll get the drone up later on when the tide goes out. This rock here does look nice. Now maybe you could do a long exposure here. Nah, nothing special about it. So all that water for what, 2 kilometers receded yesterday. We're parked over there. Bring you over now in a second. Staying, and then we'll get some edits done or something. Get something constructive done today. Farmers market. Nice. I didn't see this place opened yesterday, so I don't know if they're still going, but again, we finished early. That would be perfect for, like, you know, after the pub. So it might have been open later on. There's a sweet shop. Oh. I love that. Coffee shop, pottery studio, gift shop. Okay. Workhouse, tour crafts cafe. Okay. We have a few things open. And we have another pub, Malloy's. Looks nice. There's a takeaway in Kishteen. I don't know if they're open, they're going to be safe for breakfast. Heard some sounds in there, so yeah. Not just a takeaway. Ooh, the Outback. Ice cream place. Yeah, it's probably seasonal. Patsy Dance, that's where we've seen the fire dogs being known for. It looks real traditional. I say that'd be lovely. And then there's more park. Find out where we wanted to stay for the night. What is going on? That thing is annoying me. Wild Atlantic Way. Kind of sums it up. Thousands of kilometers of coastline. We're here. We need to get to here by next week. Yeesh. There's another spot over here. Let's check that out. Again, what is doing that? Like, it's like, let's just see if I can lock it in when you have it recording or something like that. It's annoying. Yeah, family adventures and social engineering and stuff like that, and yeah, seems very communal, and you seem fresh as well, so it seems to be active. So this is where I stayed yesterday. Won't be to get in here, and it's a donation box, which is nice. It's like, you know, put in what you think it's worth. Now there's no hookups, there's no toilets. Well, there's public toilets, but they're not part of this. And it's like ground, but it is level. So I gave them a few quid. So if you are coming here, there's this donation box here. You just put it in that little bucket there. And yeah, we're gonna go in and see what we can figure out for the day.